Bien, con Ariana.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, everyone. Now we're gonna have class. Ahora sí vamos a tener clase. Vamos entonces ahora a comenzar con el primer tema. En cuanto al examen de competencias, es muy probable que esté listo para la tarde. Entonces, los que estén interesados me mandan mensaje para compartirles el link del examen, ¿ok? Recuerden que en esta ocasión no se va a llevar a cabo durante la clase, sino cuando ustedes tengan tiempo. Ok, entonces vamos a comenzar. We're going to start with today's class.
Teacher,
Dime.
una pregunta nomás con lo del examen.
Ajá.
¿Hasta qué hora vamos a tener el día de hoy?
No es por hora, es más bien es cuando tú tengas tiempo de hacerlo. O sea, el examen no se va a realizar en clase ni se va a realizar en un horario específico, pero sí va a haber límite de fecha. Supongamos que esta semana tienes nada más para hacer el examen.
Ah, ok, gracias.
Okay. Bueno, I'm sharing the link and we are going to start with the first topic. And the first topic is Life's a Lottery. And we have the listening. Remember that we're gonna be working with this topic for 2 weeks, which means that we are going to start today and we're going to finish next class. Okay, so today's class is going to be more like an introduction to the unit. It's going to be a short class because this material is for 2 weeks, which means that we are going to work with it during this week and next week. So we are going to start with the listening. Recuerden, va a haber algunas actividades. There are going to be some activities that I'm going to ask you to write down as evidence. And you will have to write them down. Las van a tener que escribir. But there are going to be some others that they won't be necessary. Las que no sean necesario, pues no las copien. Y las que sí, yo las estaría avisando, okay? This is an activity to be used as an evidence, and this one, you don't need to write it down, okay? So in the first one, it says, is there a lottery in your country? Do you think it's a good idea? Do you ever play the lottery? Okay, lottery. We're talking about the lottery, not the lottery de la lotería, right? The lottery of like the Lotería Nacional, like that. So I just told you that we do have the lottery. What do you think, guys? Do you think it is a good idea to buy these type of tickets? Give me a second. Okay, sorry. Give me just 1 minute, okay? I'll be back at. Okay, I'm back. I'm so sorry. Bueno, les platicaba. What do you think, guys? Do you think it is a good idea to participate in the lottery?
I think it's not a good idea.
It is not a good idea. Do you know someone who plays the lottery that buys tickets for the lottery?
Yes, my father.
Your father? Okay, I've got to say that my mother is a big fan of the lottery. She has never won anything, but she's like very persistent with it. I mean, she's always buying and always with a good attitude and with the best mood. She's very happy when she buys a ticket. And it's funny because she's from Santana. And I'm from, like, I live here in Hermosillo, and she's always asking me to buy, like, here, because she says that she has more opportunities if she gets the tickets from here. Ideas. She never gets anything, but well. So Delgadillo says that her father. Tell me, Anaí, has your father won anything?
No entendí, es que se cortó.
Okay, has your father won anything?
No.
No? Okay. The rest of you, I hear you. Do you know someone who plays the lottery?
Yes, my grandfather.
Your grandfather? Okay. Now it says, look at the pictures below and read the newspaper extract. What's surprising about the story? Okay, it says money grows on trees. That is the title of the article. Let's read it. Do I have a volunteer who wants to read this article? Someone in here wants to read the article?
Me.
Okay, go ahead, please.
A gardener in Perth, Australia, thought he was the unluckiest person in town when he found a tree on top of his car after a storm. Then he saw a small colored piece of paper under some leaves. I don't know why he picked it up, but he's happy. He did because today Martin and his wife are $10 million richer. The piece of paper was a winning lotto ticket, and the couple found out yesterday they can keep the money. We are thrilled, of course, but we are not going to change our life very much, said Martin's wife, Jean. He enjoys his work as a gardener, and I love my job at the sandwich shop, but we do have some plans, said Martin.
Okay, so to be honest, I don't know if this is real or not, but if it is real, well, it is definitely good luck. Well, I don't find, I mean, because there's some people who do not believe in luck, but there's some other who said that it's like, that it does exist. What do you think? Do you believe in luck? What do you think? Do you think that luck is a fact? I mean, it is true that luck exists? ¿Creen en la suerte?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Has someone in here experienced something where luck could be involved? Así de que ustedes dijeron, no, I was lucky, or it was good luck, or bad luck. I hear you. No? So nobody has anything to share? What do you think? Do you think this story was real or not?
Maybe it's real.
Okay, so you say it is real. It could be, why not, right? But I don't know. It's kind of, it sounds unreal, but well, we don't actually know, right? Okay. So now we're gonna go to the grammar part, and it says, grammar, be going to, would like to. Look at the sentences and underline the correct alternative to complete the rules below. We're going to have a party. I'd like to learn to fly. So here we have going to and would like to. There's a big difference between these two. Okay, in these two sentences I have, we're going to have a party and I'd like to learn to fly. Let's go to the first one. It says use be going to when you have a definite plan or when you don't have a definite plan. When you have or when you don't have. Usamos el going to para un plan definido o lo contrario, o no plan.
Cuando tenemos un plan definido.
Okay, when we have a definite plan. Use would like to when you want to do something or when you want to do something or when you have or when you don't have a definite plan. Para planes o no planes, el would like. What do you think?
When you don't have definite plan.
When you don't have a definite plan, very good. Okay, so the difference is that one is for plans and the other one is just like for things that we would like to do, right? Not definite plans. It says, look at the audio script S1 on page 174 and complete the table with the correct forms of be, going to, and would like to. It's because this was a listening. Yes, it was a listening. But we're gonna, wait, give me a second. I'm gonna go for the pitch. Voy a ir a la página, denme un segundo. La voy a buscar. Permítanme. I'm gonna waste so much time looking for the page, so we're just gonna like, give me a minute, please. Voy a ir a buscarla.
Hace como pegamento en blanco.
Ujú.
Voy a hacer una sopa de
Oh my God, I don't know how to find it here. I'm going for my book in paper. Okay, I'll be. Okay, here I am. We're gonna back to the book. And I'm gonna read you the sentences, okay? Les voy a leer las oraciones porque no tengo manera de compartirles el texto de aquí. So it is for the unit 10, recording as 10-1. Oh, never mind. Never mind, I don't have it. No lo tengo. Ok, bueno. Vamos a ver. Entonces le voy a dar clic aquí. And let's see what it shows. I'm going to stay in my job. We're going to stay in my job. We're going to look for a house. He's going to buy a new car. So what do I have here? ¿Qué tengo aquí? Lo primero que tengo aquí es el verb to be. Remember, am for I, are for we, you and they, and is for he, she, and it. I am, we are, he is, going to. Hay que agregar el to con el going cuando usamos el going to. I'm going to y un verbo en su forma base. I'm going to stay in my job. We're going to look for a house. He's going to buy a new car. Y el would like to. What is the structure of would like? El would like sería el would, que es la D, apostrophe D, that is the way we contract it, es la forma corta. Más el like y el to. I'd like to go to Greece. We'd like to move. How can I use it in question? ¿Cómo lo uso en pregunta? What are you going to do? What would you like to do? So verb to be for going to and would con el like to. ¿Qué tienen en común? Que tengo que usar el to en ambas, o sea, el infinitive. Y pues prácticamente nada más. That's all what they have in common because they're very different. Vamos a language bank. And let's start with the going to. And first we have the information of the going to. Going to. Here we have all of the subjects, well, subject pronouns. I, he, she, it, you, we, they. Plus the verb to be affirmative or negative. I'm or I'm not. Is or isn't. Are or aren't. Plus going to. Plus a verb in the base form. Si se fijan, aquí también estoy usando el verb to be porque el verb to be significa ser o estar. Entonces, si dice, I'm going to be there soon, estoy diciendo voy a estar ahí pronto, right? Entonces, cuando uso el going to y quiero usar el verb to be para decir que algo va a estar o va a ser, entonces uso tal cual be después del going to. I'm going to be. I'm going to be there soon, start tonight, leave tomorrow. Use be going to plus infinitive to talk about plans or intentions. El going to me sirve específicamente para hablar del futuro. O sea, cosas que fueron planeadas o que se planean hacer. For example, I'm going to do my homework tonight. With be going to plus go, you don't need to repeat go. She's going to the post office. Aquí dice que no es necesario, sin embargo, cambia la estructura. O sea, ya no vendría siendo el be going to. Sí pueden decir going to go, no es que esté incorrecto. Simplemente es menos común usar el be going to con el go. Use be going to with future time phrases. For example, tomorrow, soon, this weekend, next week, in 2 years. For example, in 2 weeks, I'm going to be on vacation. ¿Qué significa esto? Pues que es algo que, aunque no lo estoy planeando, es algo que sí va a suceder. Entonces estuvo planeado no por mí, pero sí por la escuela, right? Entonces, el going to, en pocas palabras, me sirve para hablar sobre planes a futuros, planes que ya fueron elaborados, que ya fueron, que ya están precisos que van a suceder, o que se tiene la intención, pero es muy probable que sí pase. Y también se usa el going to para predecir situaciones. Por ejemplo, bueno, pero cuando digo predecir, son situaciones que sí son muy probable que vayan a suceder. I don't know, let's say that I'm outside and I'd say that it's really windy and really cloudy, so I can say, oh, it's going to rain because you have evidence. Now, in questions, to make it interrogative, I'm going to start with the verb to be, followed by the subject, then going to, and the base form of the verb. Am I going to finish today? Are they going to finish today? And the answer will be just with the verb to be. Yes, I am. Yes, he is. Or no, she isn't. No, they aren't. Would like to. Por otro lado, tengo el would like to, que la estructura es, como les comentaba ahorita, sería el subject, más el would or wouldn't, más like to, go and eat. I would like to eat. They would like to eat. El would like to lo utilizo, ¿para qué lo voy a utilizar? Use I'd like to. Sorry for the noise. Use I'd like to plus infinitive to talk about what you want to do. O sea, algo que tú quisieras hacer, que te gustaría hacer. It's hot. I like to go for a swim. You can also use want to plus infinitive for the same idea. I want to go to the gym. A final de cuentas, pues es lo mismo, pero I like to is more polite than want. El I like Se utiliza tanto para algo que te gustaría o algo que también pudiera suceder o que estás preguntando. For example, would you like to drink some tea? Aquí donde se pregunta algo que estás preguntando si a la persona le gustaría, en este caso, tomar té. Would you like to drink some tea? Yes, I would, or no, I wouldn't. For example, what would you do if it rains today? For example, what would you do? ¿Qué harías? So we use will to ask for things like that could be possible, or we use it to talk about the things that we want to do, or that we are likely to do. ¿Qué haríamos o que nos gustaría hacer? Is it clear? ¿Estamos más o menos claros hasta ahorita?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So let's go to the activity to practice then. It says, complete the sentences with the correct form of be going to. Use the verbs in parentheses. Aquí tengo estos verbos. Go, look at, you, be, not, wait, buy, Steve, and go. Vamos a usar el be going to. Let's do the first one together. It says, the movie theater tonight. ¿Cómo quedaría entonces?
I'm going to.
I'm going to. Recuerden que acá me decía que a pesar de que yo les comenté, pues que no es como que no está mal, es mucho más común utilizar el present continuous cuando hablo de algo con el verbo go. I'm going to the movie theater tonight. Puedo decir I'm going to go to the movie theater tonight, pero es mucho más común utilizar el just I'm going to and that's it. Next, I have look at. We an apartment next week. What are we gonna do? What verb to be do I need? ¿Qué verbo
We are going
decir
to.
aquí? Okay. We are going to what?
Look at.
We are going to look at an apartment next week. Very good. Okay, so in this one, we are using be going to. I'm going to ask you to please finish this part of the exercise and let me know when you're done, okay? Como terminan el ejercicio, recuerden tomarlo como evidencia en un cuaderno para que lo puedan tomar foto y subirlo, okay? So finish this first part and let me know when you are done. Let me know when you finish, okay? Did you finish? Hello, did you finish?
Ya casi, teacher.
Ya casi, teacher, me falta la última.
Okay. Ready?
Sí, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, good. So Andres, help me. Help me with the number 3. Remember, it is a question. So it's a question and then I have you and then B.
Is going, you going to be?
You need to use the verb to be entonces at the beginning because it is a question.
Teacher, se escucha trabajo.
Okay, let me restart my computer.